Hello everyone, welcome back to MastercoTutorials. Today is a very special day for me and I'm truly excited to share it with you. My name is Sidiqul Akbar and I am the founder of Master Coding Organization, also known as MCO, and the creator behind MastercoTutorials. First of all, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for helping us reach 380 subscribers and almost 100k total views. Every single view, every like, every comment, and every subscription has helped us to grow into the amazing community we have today. This achievement isn't just mine, it's ours. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter of Masterco Tutorials and MCO. I'm excited to announce that our official site is now developing. Our website will become the homepage of everything in MCO, including our latest announcements, projects, tutorials, blogs, resources, and future updates. And that's not all. This August, we are planning to launch a free 10-day Scratch 3.0 course for everyone, whether you are completely new to coding or already creating projects in Scratch. This course will help guide you step by step with easy to follow lessons, fun projects, and practical learning. Our mission has always been simple: to help people learn, create, and inspire through technology. In these coming months, you can expect even more exciting content, including Scratch tutorials, Android app development with block coding, AI tools, web development, Discord boards, automation, coding projects, and many more educational videos. We are building something much bigger than just a YouTube channel. We are building a community where anyone can start their coding journey. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you join us and become part of this journey. Once again, thank you for believing in Masterco Tutorials. Thank you for supporting MCO. And thank you for believing in me. The best is yet to come. Keep learning, keep creating, keep inspiring. This is Sidiqul Akbar, founder of Master Coding Organization and Masterco Tutorials, signing off. See you in the next video.